Welcome to the try exercise solution for lesson 4 of basic algebra in full. That is multiplication and division in algebra. To approach this question, the first thing we do is to convert the division sign to the pattern of numerator and denominator. So we have 18x squared y raised to the power 3 times 4z times 1 over 6x z raised to the power 2 times 3y times 1 over 2x raised to the power 3. So let's put all of them now in the numerator and denominator pattern. It gives us 18x raised to the power 2 y raised to the power 3 times 4z times 3y over 6x z raised to the power 2 times 2x raised to the power 3. As we did in the main lesson, we are going to split up all this so that we can cancel out easily. So 18x times x times y times y times y times 4 times z times 3 times y over 6 times x times z times z times 2 times x times x times x. Now let's cancel out. So we'll start with the numbers. 6 divided by 6 here is 1. 6 divided by 18 is 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 4, 2. That's all for the numbers. No other number beneath. That is in the denominator. So let's go to the letters now. X, we cancel this x. This x, we cancel this x. That's all for x. There is no y underneath, so we just go to z. This z, we cancel this z. And there's no other z above. So that's all we can cancel out. So what is left? We have 3 here. We have y, 2, 3, and y. Then beneath we have z, x, and x. So that now gives us a final answer of above 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So we write 18. Then for the letters still above, we have y, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 y's here. So we put y raised to the power 4. Then over beneath, no number. We only have z, x, and x. So that is x in 2 places. Remember our alphabetical convention for writing algebra. So instead of writing z, x raised to the power 2, we will write x raised to the power 2, z. And that becomes the final answer. Now, this solution is looking so messy like this because we have not done powers. So just be patient. When we do powers, you will see a much more easier way and faster and cleaner way to solve this. But for now, we are still trying to master multiplication and division, because if you don't master this, you struggle with powers. Check mathinfull.com for more exercises like this. Keep studying and remember, it's all connected.